What is up, everybody? We are going to do a little maintenance video for you. Sipping my little Pellegrino. Do some oil, do an oil change, and clean the chain. I got a sticker coming. Finally scheduled a day for my tire replacement. I'm going to replace both tires. And finally also replace my brake pedal as well. It's been like that for so long now. But we're finally making progress, everybody. Let's actually give her a little startup. I know it's a hot day, but let's just warm up the oil, you know. Sorry. So we got a bunch of stuff. Moto, whatever. 10W40. 4 liters. Yeah, I just got like the whole pack, whatever. Alright, let's do this. To the oil filter. So I got the K&N one. Let's hope they didn't tighten this too damn tight from the last service. They tightened it pretty good, alright. Alrighty, just gotta do it this way. There you go. I don't know why places just tighten these so tightly, man. Like, it's hand tightened. I don't know if they know that.
get some of this oil, right? You lube this motherfucker. Just a little bit. Made in Thailand. Yeah, don't know if y'all knew that, but pretty sure y'all do. My subscribers ain't stupid, but yeah, you could just use that to take it out. Ain't no worries. You can just hand tighten it, man. No need to freaking use a tool. Luckily this one has a little 13 mil or whatever it is. Take it out. All right, well that's the oil. Let's move on to the chain. My bad. I'm dumb. We gotta fill up the oil. So I think it's around like 3 liters for this, 3.5 I think, or some shit. Let me search it up real quick. Yeah, so about 3.5 liters for the 2022 and up, and then 3.4 for the 2016. All right, so let's get to pouring. We got a little funnel. I kind of want to get a new drain plug. I mean, a oil plug. Not a drain plug. That's the other one's a drain plug. Yo, what the f? How am I gonna pour this oil in? Alright, we're gonna do like this. Alright, give us some more lean, you know. Looking good. Let's start her up. I wish you guys could hear this in person, but you can't unless you have one yourself. Then you understand. You understand what it sounds like. It has no baffle right now either. Oh my god.
we're gonna let that sit, dry off a bit before I put on the lube. Yeah, that's basically it.
Còn cái này nữa nè. Món này nữa nè. Thôi cũng gọi này nữa thôi.
Yeah, that's all you missed call. Alrighty, guys. I know I probably don't do it the way you guys do it, or maybe I do it. You know, I just do things differently. I don't know. I'm just lubing shit, cleaning it, whatever. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video. More to come soon. I definitely need to get a tune for this thing, and I'm really just impatient. I just want to get this already. But it's on back order, I think, because I want the matte black carbon to replace the rear tail, whatever, the rear fender, rear wheel fender, whatever. What else do I want for it? Yeah, I need to get it tuned, man. That's really it. Peace.